Xiaomi YU7 was officially launched on the evening of May 22nd, but the pre-sale price has not been announced. It will be officially launched in July. Xiaomi Auto's second model and first SUV, Xiaomi YU7, is positioned as a medium-large SUV. In terms of appearance, Xiaomi YU7 continues the design style of Xiaomi SU7 as a whole, and the design concept is extremely aesthetic. It is quite different from the mainstream family SUVs on the market. It does not aim for excessive space practicality. This counterintuitive design is more suitable for the aesthetics of young consumers. There is a closing device. This electric inward folding design optimizes the friction coefficient and makes the sides of the vehicle body simpler. The friction coefficient of the entire vehicle is as low as 0.245 cd. When we look at the body dimensions, the length, width and height of the Xiaomi YU7 are 4999/1996/1600 mm respectively. The wheelbase is 3000 mm and it has a seating arrangement for 5 people. At the same time, the Xiaomi YU7 is also equipped with a 141-liter front trunk lid that can be controlled by voice inside and outside the vehicle. There is also an independent switch button on the main driver's side fender that opens and closes electrically, which is very useful. The standard volume of the trunk is 678 liters, while it can reach 1758 liters when the second row seats are folded. When we look at the interior, the Xiaomi YU7 adopts a new design style, and the overall atmosphere becomes more luxurious and technological. It is equipped with an extra-large surround remote control screen that extends across the entire center console. At the same time, the screen can also be linked to the central control screen. For example, after entering the launch start mode, the central control screen, including the panoramic display of the front skylight display, can respond and provide both driving atmosphere and emotional value. The steering wheel adopts the same 3-spoke flat-bottom design as the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra, but the materials are different. The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra uses a carbon fiber plus suede combination for a sportier look, while the Xiaomi YU7 adopts a dual-color leather design for a more luxurious look. In terms of intelligent assisted driving, the Xiaomi YU7 series is equipped with laser radar as standard, and NVIDIA Thor chip, processing power 700 TOPS, is used. It is also equipped with 4D millimeter wave radar, 11 cameras and 12 ultrasonic radars to enhance the ability to penetrate and identify rainy and foggy weather, and can adapt to various complex environments to provide safer assisted driving. In terms of space and comfort performance, which everyone cares about very much, Xiaomi YU7 has made significant improvements over Xiaomi SU7. There are dual zero-gravity seats in the front row and 10-point massage support. The rear seats support 135-degree backrest angle adjustment and are equipped with a 6.68-inch rear magnetic screen. The entire series is built on the 800V high-voltage platform. Rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive optional. CLTC pure electric range is up to 835 kilometers. In terms of power, the entire Xiaomi YU7 series is built on the 800V silicon carbide high-voltage platform, offering single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor four-wheel drive options. The rear-wheel drive version is equipped with a maximum drive motor power of 235 kilowatts, a maximum torque of 528 Nm, an acceleration time of 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.88 seconds and a maximum speed of 240 km per hour. The vehicle, paired with a 96.3 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery pack, has a pure electric range of 835 km. The four-wheel drive version offers two different power settings. In the low-power version, the maximum power for the front motor is 135 kilowatts and the rear motor is 235 kilowatts. The total power of the system is 370 kilowatts, and the total torque is 690 Nm. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.27 seconds and has a maximum speed of 240 km per hour. The vehicle, paired with a 96.3 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery pack, has a range of 770 km with CLTC pure electric. The four-wheel drive high-power version has a maximum power of 220 kilowatts for the front drive motor, a maximum power of 288 kilowatts for the rear drive motor, a system total power of 508 kilowatts, a system total torque of 866 newton meters, an acceleration time of 3.23 seconds per 100 kilometers, a maximum speed of 253 kilometers per hour, and a matching ternary lithium battery pack capacity of 101.7 kilowatt-hours. The pure electric range of the CLTC is 760 kilometers. Thanks to the 800V silicon carbide high-voltage platform adopted throughout the system, Xiaomi YU7 supports a maximum charging speed of 5.2 C. SoC reaches 10% to 80% in just 12 minutes, and the fastest charging distance of 620 kilometers can be achieved in 15 minutes.